Hey, this is Justin, the Flipping Accountant, and today I'm going to show you how to find what's sold in the Amazon Seller app. If you find this information useful, please consider subscribing or liking the video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Amazon Seller app, click on it right there, and then it pulls up your home screen right here. So what we're looking for is manage orders, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th from the top. So I'm just going to click on manage orders, open that up right there. And this pulls up the manage order screen. And right now I already have it set to what is sold for me using Amazon FBA. In the top right-hand corner, you can see where it says pending. That means that the item has been paid for or bought by the customer, but it hasn't been shipped yet by Amazon. But if I want to change that, in the bottom right-hand corner, I can click filter, go ahead and click filter. And then if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see where it says the word status right here. And this is where you can make changes. So you can just have it set to just the items that have shipped recently, the items that have canceled recently, or the items that are pending. So an item that is pending will show as a sale on your Amazon seller account, but the money will not be added to your available balance or your pending balance until the item is actually shipped to the customer. So that's why it is pending. That's how you get to the pending right there. Go ahead and click apply. And this shows that these are the items that I've sold in the last 60 days that haven't shipped out. And if you want more information, you can click on a listing and it'll pull up the customer's name and all of that relevant information. But I'm not going to do that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just showing you how to find the pending items, which are sold items that just haven't shipped yet. So that's going to be it for today. If you found this information useful, please consider liking the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.